Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to do something truly magical. We're going to build our very own light slide. What's a light slide, you ask? Well, imagine capturing a piece of a rainbow and projecting it right onto your wall. It sounds like something out of a fantasy movie, but I promise you, it's 100% real science. And you can do it right at home with just a few simple things. This is one of the coolest, most visually stunning experiments you'll ever try. So stick around because you won't want to miss this luminous and dazzling experience. All right, let's gather our gear. You'll be amazed at how simple this is. First, you'll need a source of water. So a regular garden hose with a spray nozzle will work perfectly. Next, you need a small, flat mirror. A little pocket mirror or a makeup compact mirror is ideal. And finally, the most important ingredient of all, a bright, sunny day. That's it. A hose, a mirror, and some sunshine are all we need to bend light and create our very own rainbow. Make sure you find a spot outside that gets direct sunlight and have a wall or a flat, light-colored surface nearby that's in the shade. This shaded wall will be our screen, where the magic is going to happen. Now for the setup. It's super easy. First, turn on your hose and adjust the nozzle to create a fine, steady mist or spray. You don't want a powerful jet, but rather a gentle, consistent shower of water drops. Think of it as creating your own personal rain cloud. This spray of water is going to be our prism. Hold the hose up and let the water fall in the path of the direct sunlight. You should see the sunlight shining through the water droplets. This is the first critical step. The sunlight needs to interact with the water to begin the process of splitting light. Okay, hose is on. Water is spraying through the sunlight. Now, grab your mirror. This is where you become a light artist. Your job is to catch the sunlight that's passing through the water mist with your mirror. So, you'll stand with your back mostly to the sun, holding the mirror to intercept the light. You'll need to angle the mirror just right to reflect that light onto your shaded wall. Start by holding the mirror and slowly tilting and turning it. Watch the reflection on the wall. At first, you might just see a bright white spot of reflected light. Don't worry, that's normal. Keep making small adjustments. This part requires a little bit of patience and experimentation, so have fun with it. Try moving the mirror up and down, side to side, and tilting it at different angles. You're trying to find that perfect sweet spot. As you move the mirror, you'll notice the reflection on the wall changing. You're really looking for the moment when that bright white spot of light begins to separate and stretch out. Suddenly, you'll see it. That spot of light will transform into a beautiful, vibrant smear of colors. You've done it! You've created a light slide, a projected rainbow. Just look at that. It's absolutely breathtaking. You can see all the colors, from red and orange to yellow, green, blue, and violet, all spread out on the wall. It's like you've taken a real rainbow from the sky and slid it right into your backyard. You can even move the mirror around to make your rainbow dance and slide across the wall. How cool is that? You can make it longer, shorter, or change its position. You are literally controlling a rainbow with your own hands. Take a moment to just admire the beauty of what you've created. So, what's the science behind this incredible spectacle? How did we turn plain white sunlight into this stunning display of colors? It all comes down to a phenomenon called refraction and dispersion. Sunlight, which we see as white light, is actually made up of all the colors of the rainbow mixed together. When this white light enters a different medium, like a water droplet, it bends. This bending is called refraction. But here's the really cool part. Each color of light bends at a slightly different angle. Think of it like a race. Red light bends the least, while violet light bends the most. So, as the white sunlight enters one of our tiny water droplets from the hose, the colors start to separate. The light then hits the back of the water droplet and reflects off the inside surface, kind of like a mirror. Then, as the light exits the water droplet, it bends again, separating the colors even further. This whole process is called dispersion. Each of the millions of tiny water droplets in our spray is acting like a tiny prism, splitting the sunlight into its component colors. But why did we need the mirror? Well, all those tiny rainbows created by the water droplets are usually scattered in every direction. That's why you can see a rainbow in the sky after it rains you read, seeing the combined effect of sunlight shining through countless raindrops. Our mirror acts as a collector and a projector. It gathers a large amount of this color-separated light and focuses it all onto one spot, our shaded wall. This is what allows us to see the colors so clearly and vibrantly as one beautiful, cohesive band of light, our light slide. Without the mirror, the effect would be too faint and dispersed to see on the wall. So, the water spray does a hard work of splitting the light, and the mirror does the job of gathering and directing that split light so we can admire it. It's a perfect partnership between water, light, and reflection. What's even more amazing is that this is the exact same principle that creates natural rainbows in the sky. The only difference is that instead of a hose, you'll have rain instead of a mirror. Your eyes are what catch the light from a specific angle. This experiment is not just beautiful, it's a fantastic way to visualize the physics of light. You can experiment even more. Try changing the angle of the water spray. What happens if you use a stronger spray versus a finer mist? Does the quality of the rainbow change? Try moving closer or farther away from the wall with your mirror. See how that affects the size and brightness of your light slide. Every little adjustment teaches you something new about how light behaves. It's a hands-on physics lesson that feels like pure magic. So there you have it, your very own buildable light slide. An incredible way to play with science and create something truly stunning right in your own backyard. It is a perfect activity for a sunny day and a great way to impress your friends and family. All you need is that hose, a mirror, and a little bit of sunshine. You've learned about refraction, dispersion, and how white light is a beautiful mix of all the colors we can see. Science is everywhere, and sometimes it's breathtakingly beautiful. Thanks so much for joining me today for this luminous adventure. I hope you're inspired to go out and try this for yourself. If you do build your own light slide, I would love to see it. Tag us in your photos and videos online. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more fun and amazing science experiments, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on our next creation. Until next time, stay curious.